Quotient of powers. A to the m divided by a to the n is equal to a to the m minus n. A is the base. M and n are the exponents. To divide powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. Again, you have to have the same base, and if the base is the same, you can then subtract the exponents. Example, -5 to the 9 divided by -5 to the 6. The base in both is going to be -5, so you can subtract the exponents. This can be written as -5 to the 9 minus 6, and 9 minus 6 is 3, so your final answer will be -5 to the power of 3. To divide 6 to the 7 divided by 6 to the 4, this can also be written as 6 to the 7 over top of 6 to the 4. And if you were to write this as repeated multiplication, this would be 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 over top of 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. You can simplify this by crossing off a 6 on the top and the bottom as many times as it's repeated. There are 4 instances of this, so you can cross them all off. And then you'll be left with 6 times 6 times 6. This could also be written as 6 to the 3 over top of 6 to the 0. Six to the 3 is 6 times 6 times 6, and 6 to the 0 would be 1. So 6 times 6 times 6 is going to be 6 to the 3. The base of the quotient is 6, and the exponent is 3. The difference of the exponents of the powers that were divided is 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. And a simpler way of doing this, of 6 to the 7 divided by 6 to the 4, would be 6 to the 7 minus 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3, so your answer will be 6 to the 3.